Most people are terrified AI will replace their job. But what if AI could actually make your job easier and help you earn more money? In this video, I'm going to show you how I automated over 60% of the boring stuff at work using free AI tools, and how you can do the same even if you're not technical. The people who learn this now are getting promoted, making more money, and even switching into better jobs. Let me show you how to do it. Right now, there's a massive skill gap happening in the workplace. You've got two types of workers: people who use AI as a productivity engine and people who pretend it doesn't exist. Guess which group companies are rewarding? Workers using AI are finishing tasks 2 to 10 times faster, taking on more valuable work, and becoming the go-to person on their team. Meanwhile, everyone else is drowning in emails and admin tasks. The truth is, AI isn't replacing workers. It's replacing workers who don't use AI. But if you do learn it, you become one of the most valuable people in the company. Let me show you the exact workflows that automated most of my work. Email drafting, 60 to 80% automated. Emails used to take me hours every day. Now AI does 80% of the work. Use this prompt. Write a professional reply to this email. Make the tone friendly. Keep it under 5 sentences. Boom, you fix a few words and hit send. Reports and summaries, 70% automated. No one enjoys writing weekly reports. AI loves them. Copy-paste your notes or data and say, turn this into a clean weekly report with bullet points, action steps, and insights. It formats everything for you. Meeting notes and action items, 90% automated. Instead of scribbling notes, record your meeting or upload the transcript. Prompt: summarize this meeting in under 10 bullet points. List action items by person. 1 minute of work and done. Research and outlines, 60 to 90% automated. Need ideas for a project? Competitive research? Policies? Drafts? Prompt: create a detailed outline for a project plan that includes goals, timelines, and steps. You go from hours to minutes. Customer support and responses, 70 to 85% automated. AI can draft answers that are consistent, accurate, and fast. Prompt: write a clear customer support response to a complaint. Apologize briefly, offer a solution, and ask one follow-up question. Suddenly, you're handling double the workload with half the stress. Let me show you the exact workflow that saved me the most time. The daily assistant loop. First, paste your tasks. Next, ask AI to organize them. Then, ask AI to draft anything that takes a lot of time. Fourth, ask AI to create templates. Finally, ask AI to automate repeat tasks. Prompt: organize these tasks into a list, estimate the time for each, and prioritize them. Then draft anything that can be automated. This one loop alone saved me 1 to 2 hours per day. Okay, saving time is cool, but here's where it becomes money. You look like a top performer. Finishing work faster equals glowing performance reviews. You get promoted faster. Companies reward the people who get more done with less drama. And you unlock better jobs. AI skills make you instantly qualified for operations roles, admin roles, customer support lead, project coordinator, entry-level tech jobs, AI-assisted content roles, and many more. You can take on freelance side income. Your new skills become a sellable skill set you can offer to small businesses. You reduce burnout, you get more done, and feel less stressed. That alone is priceless. Normal workers who learn AI now are quietly doubling their value. If you want to see the exact workflows I used in this video, plus others that make normal workers insanely productive, check out my free guide called 21 AI Workflows Every Worker Should Be Using in 2026. It's the top link in the description. It's designed specifically for normal adults with zero tech background who want to become high-value AI-powered workers. Check out the details below if you're curious. If today's video helped you, hit the like button so YouTube knows I'm doing something right, and comment below if you want the full workflow video next. Don't work harder, work smarter with AI. This is Reinventing Life with AI. Thanks for watching.